Bliss Beauty here of blissbeautyandglitter.com. Thank you so much for being on my channel. I haven't uploaded a video in a while on this channel because this channel it's more personal, and so a lot of times it's not that I don't have personal stuff to share with you guys, but I am so busy with a lot of stuff that especially it's time for back to school. So my video it's about my back to school shopping at jcpenney.com. I am telling you guys, you need to check out jcpenney.com. You guys need to check them out. I was able to stretch my dollar. I was able to save big on over 30 items of clothing, name brand clothing, good quality clothing, on markdown, on sales, clothing that were initially maybe $30. I was able to get it for $15. That is huge savings. You guys need to check out jcpenney.com. This video wasn't sponsored. It wasn't endorsed. I was just, I am just sharing with you guys. When I shop in places that I, know that they constantly all through the year offer amazing deals and you can save money, I enjoy sharing with you guys. And so I really wish that I can turn my camera. So here's the box. It actually just came today. This is the box itself. It actually just came today. And so I was able to, let me tell you, spend very little and save big. All this clothing item in this box, over 30 of it was just amazing deal. I scored big. Okay, look, name brand. This was initially $57. I was able to buy this clothing item for half off. So initially $57, you do the math, save big. Here we go again. This was initially $27. I was able to get this half off, save big. Check your local, well, actually, they do have stores, places, malls that do have JCPenney's, but check them out online at jcpenney.com. So guys, look, mall clothing item. This was initially $39. It was initially $39. So the contrast might not, let you guys see properly. This was initially $39, and I was able to get this half off. Guys, this is all most of the clothing here are name brand. I'm talking about Levi, Arizona Company. I mean, I am not gonna buy designer clothing that are gonna cost me like $500 for an 8-year-old or 9-year-old, something that can now grow. But if you're looking for clothing for back to school, something that kids can just wear to school for back to school, and my kids don't go to school where they have uniforms, so they constantly have to buy new clothing. And let me tell you guys something. If you want to stretch your dollars, because I'm not rich, I want to save money, and what other way to do it? This way. So you're able to stretch your dollar and you're able to get your kids good clothing, right? Good clothing. So here we go. Levi. This was initially Levi. This was initially, it was initially $48. I got this half off. I'm telling you guys, I am talking about just amazing, all around amazing, good quality clothing. Something that you can pretty much say this is dollar well spent. Arizona Company, this jacket is actually for a baby girl. So this was initially worth the price tag. And like I said, you're saving a lot. I mean, clothing that would have cost you, hundreds, and you're saving almost like half off. And plus that, you can also check out retailmenot.com to also get coupons where you can save big. Look, my channel is all about sharing with you guys. It's a sharing channel. It's a vlogging channel. So I'm making this personal, things that I generally do that saves me money. Why not share? Absolutely amazing. Check out jcpenney.com. I'm telling you guys, I have clothing. I mean, look at this. It's a lot of it. Look. It's a lot. It's a whole lot. Levi, this is a Levi. It was initially $22. I paid $11 for this. I think it was either $11 or $14. some of them just another Levi because I have two boys. This was also $22. It was half up. Look at this. Look at all this clothing. It's a lot. And guess what? I still have more in the box. And let me tell you, the quality of this clothing is to die for because that's what you want to get. You want to get something that would at least last them to the next summer year. I'll put it that way because you want to get your money's worth, right? Because you don't want to get something that you're washing it the first time, second time, and it's no good. Because some of this clothing are so poor in quality that once you do the first, second wash, the kids can't wear it no more. But I'm telling you, when you shop at jcpenney.com, the kind of quality of clothing that you're going to be buying, that you're going to be getting, you're getting your money's worth. Check out jcpenney.com and don't forget to also check out retailmenot.com. Guys, score big, save big. That's my motto. That's my goal. Because, I'm not rich. That dollar can go far. So I still have more here. I mean, it's a lot of clothing. I'm telling you. Look. And that's not even the one that because, I just set some on the island. This is more, this is more. It's a lot of clothing that I was able to buy at JCPenney for, a lot less. Believe me, a lot less. And this is good quality clothing. Good quality clothing. I have over 30 items in here in this box of good, amazing quality clothing that you're saving big on. This is something for baby girl. Really pretty, glitter, sequincy type shirt. It's just so pretty. And this was initially, let me see, this was initially $38, and I remember $38, and I remember clearly because it was so pretty. I only paid $14 for it. This whole table is covered. This whole table is covered in clothing, and this is something it's a voucher. They also included in the package. Something about wine. I actually stopped drinking about a year ago. So anyway, so that's the stuff I wanted to share with you guys. You guys check them out, JCPenney. Guys, I think what I'm going to do is maybe make my thumbnail. I don't even know how to make my thumbnail because this is just a lot of clothing. I don't think I can fit that in one picture. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Maybe I'm going to hold it this way and just make a thumbnail out of it. I don't know because it's a lot of clothing. Over 30 items in here. Name brand Levi, Arizona company. What are the name brands here? Look, when I'm buying clothes, look at this. Hollywood, the jean people. It's a lot of amazing. And this was initially $30. I paid $15 for it. So it's a lot of name brand, amazing clothing that you can save big on and get your money's worth. I hope my video was helpful, sharing this information with you guys. Check out jcpenney.com. I need to repeat this again. I wasn't endorsed. I wasn't sponsored. I am just sharing this with you guys because I purchased all of this amazing product at jcpenney.com. I save big. I score big. You guys need to check them out. You go score big and save big as well. Till I see you guys in my next video, you all stay beautiful and be good. Bye. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and click the notification bell. Share the video and click the notification bell. How would I leave that part out? I was so excited, amazing products that I just score big on. Thanks for watching. Be good. Stay beautiful. Stay beautiful. Be good. Bye.